and welcome to another English lesson with me, Beth, and today we are improving your vocabulary by thinking of different ways to say some common English words. So instead of saying the word best, we could say greatest, top of the range or top of the line, finest, premier, top, ultimate, first rate or first class, or second to none. And here are some example sentences using those phrases. She is one of the greatest tennis players of all time. This laptop is top of the range. This museum has some of the finest 19th century paintings. This hotel is one of the premier places to stay in the city. He's a top student. He always gets the best marks. Climbing Mount Everest is the ultimate challenge for an adventurer. The service at the restaurant was first rate. Her cooking skills are second to none. Instead of saying important, we could say big, crucial, critical, significant, key, fundamental, major. And here are some example sentences. Getting my first job was a big step in my life. It's crucial to follow the instructions carefully during a science experiment. Good communication is critical when working in a team. The new law had a significant impact on small businesses. Practice is key to improving your language skills. Trust is a fundamental part of any strong relationship. And climate change is a major issue that affects the whole world. Instead of saying stupid, you could say dumb, silly, foolish, idiotic, thick, daft, gormless, or dorky. Obviously these are all a bit rude, so be careful when you use them. Here are the example sentences. It was a dumb mistake to forget my passport at home. Don't be silly, of course I still want to be friends. He was foolish to trust a stranger with his bank details. Driving that fast in the rain was an idiotic thing to do. I felt so thick when I couldn't figure out the instructions. It was a daft idea to go hiking without checking the weather. He just stood there with a gormless look on his face. He wore a dorky outfit, but it actually suited him. Instead of saying very good, you could say top-notch, great, splendid, terrific, excellent, wonderful, and grand. And here are some example sentences. The hotel service was top-notch from start to finish. We had a great time at the concert last night. The view from the top of the mountain was absolutely splendid. She did a terrific job on her presentation. This restaurant serves excellent Italian food. It was a wonderful surprise to see my old friend again. They held a grand celebration for their 50th wedding anniversary. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you found that interesting and useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you again and see you next time. Bye!